Hello. So what's up? What's up, traders? Welcome to the 17th of November trading session. I'm excited. So I just want to go over the Euro Japanese yen analysis. I want to ask to review our trading decision on this particular one. So first things first, we want to start our analysis on the bigger time frame. Always you combine a number of time frames. So we always start our analysis on the bigger time frame from the monthly down all the way to the 1 hour time frame. So the reason I find this powerful is because your best trades are actually going to be performing, or rather your best trades are picked when your trades are in the direction of the main trend. And now the bigger the time frame, the stronger the support or resistance, or stronger the trading the trend. So we start with our analysis on the bigger time frame. You can see on this daily time frame, on the weekly time frame. So it's on the third week of the month. So nothing much. You can see these pivot point resistance acting nicely. So at the current prices, you can see observe last couple of days, about 4 days, we have been in a downward trend, but then not that much strong. So I'm still expecting this movement to continue downwards at the moment. So I want to step to the lower time frame and look at my pivot point analysis. So the first things first, guys, is to identify the trend. How do you identify a downward trend and an upward trend? That is quite simple, guys. This is nothing new. A downward trend is composed of lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower low, form a lower high, lower low, and that movement continues. Okay, so actually we have spotted we're in a downward trend. So the next thing that you want to do is to identify the trading range for the particular day. For this particular trading session, we already have our trading range. How do you spot your trading range? Again, this is quite simple and it's nothing new to us, guys. So you spot that when we are in a downward trend, our trading range is from resistance level 1 up to the support level 2. That is the trading range. So as a general guideline, the prices the prices will open below my pivot point. Prices, this is the market open candlestick. So let me just enlarge that a bit. So prices, as a general guideline, prices will open up below my pivot point. So you want to wait for a retracement, this move, retracement to the pivot point. So the pivot point up to resistance level 1, this acts as your target high for the day. The whole of this range acts as your target high for the day. So you wait for a retracement to the pivot point, and then you pick your entry on this pivot point. Again, you must observe the movement, observe the velocity and the magnitude of this movement along this pivot point zone to assist you now make your decision. On this particular instance, we have this retracement to the pivot point, and then the pivot point which acts now as your target high for the day, or in other term, it's actually the strongest of the support or resistance. So you can observe here prices rejecting nicely, and so we have now a confirmation of our entry on this particular short position. So the general guideline, I wait for the retracement to the pivot point. So this is your entry price. And since we are expecting that the prices should go lower and form a new lower low, this is the previous lower low. So we have this continuation, this movement here. So we are expecting to see a new lower low formation. And wherever we're expecting it is from at this support level 1, and then if we break this support level 1, then we can head straight to form a new lower low on this support level 2. So that is the approach on this particular one. So we have our first objective target here on support level 1, second objective target on support level 2, and our stop loss level on this particular instance, since this trend has not been that strong. So we have on this particular instance, we have our stop loss level slightly above the previous resistance level 1. So that's the stop loss level on this particular one. So I just want us to observe how this pair moves. So we already have secured our entry. We have our stop loss. We have our take profit levels. So At this particular moment, we just have to be patient and wait on it.